ZipStitch, surgical quality design. Trusted by top hospitals for years, Zip wound closure technology is now available without a prescription. ZipStitch is secured on both sides of your wound with two 1.5-inch strips of a unique hydrocolloid pressure-sensitive adhesive, engineered to last for up to 7 days when placed on clean and dry skin. 4 zip ties made of medical-grade polymer material connect the two adhesives, providing micro-adjustable wound closing capability. These ties allow you to securely close wounds without needles and stitches. ZipStitch's zip ties are very easy to handle and control. Multiple zip ties allow you to adjust the pulling force across the length of the wound for just the right amount of closure at all parts of the wound. The micro-adjustable zip ties put you in complete control of the closure. This precision protects your wound from forces that contribute to increased scarring. Zip's uniform force distribution also reduces the compression on both sides of the wound to help maintain healthy blood flow, critical to healing and scar minimization. ZipStitch acts as a scaffold or cage around the wound, isolating and protecting the wound from movement that can pull on the wound and disrupt healing. Zip technology is 8 times stronger than stitches. ZipStitch is a great new option for your first aid kit. A major upgrade versus butterfly and strip closures that are basically just strips of tape. A non-invasive solution you can use anywhere when you can't get to an ER for stitches. So, if you can't stitch it, zip it.
Carry self-charging light wherever you go with the BioLite Sunlight. A compact solar light that provides bright and colorful lighting and freedom from rationing your batteries and energy. Featuring a pocket-friendly version of BioLite's optimal sun system, a 360 kickstand and analog sundial enable the integrated panel to find direct rays for maximum recharging. An additional micro USB in allows you to fill up in a pinch. Access quick and easy utility lighting with the dimmable white and red night vision. Or liven up your space with a variety of colors in party mode. With IPX4 water resistance, the sunlight is ready for life outside, rain or shine. Use your days to light up your nights with the BioLite Sunlight.
As a chiropractor and athlete, I help countless people as they attempt to improve their lifestyle and well-being. Unfortunately, chiropractic alone sometimes isn't enough. With our hectic lifestyles, we need to find other ways to maintain our health. What if I told you there's a home therapy program, one that patients can use safely at home to strengthen their muscles and relieve pain? Most of you have heard of EMS technology, which uses electrical pulses to improve physical fitness, strengthening and toning muscles, or TENS technology, which relieves pain. Anyone that wants to tone their muscles and relieve pain would need to purchase several units to work on these areas simultaneously. That's why we created ElectroFit. ElectroFit is the all-in-one smart device that uses EMS and TENS-based technology to transmit microelectrical pulses through specific areas of the body. By exercising muscles while keeping nerves active, ElectroFit is able to deliver the kind of full-body results that other units on the market are too limited to achieve. ElectroFit is for anyone who cares about living an active and healthy lifestyle. The ElectroFit comes with an app, which connects via Bluetooth to the controller and accessories. Through the app, users can adjust the workout intensity and the type of workout. The ElectroFit controller connects to several attachments. The basic set comes with 2 electropads, which can be used anywhere on the body. This can be used at home or during a workout to tone muscles, increase strength, and recover faster. The ElectroFit controller also works with the ElectroAbs attachment, which can tone your six-pack or strengthen the thigh while you relax. The dual electro attachment helps to tone and strengthen the glutes, arms, and lower back. ElectroFit can be used for years as an effective fitness and pain relief aid, and it has no known side effects. The ElectroFit controller is conveniently compact at only 2 inches wide. Every unit comes with an integrated rechargeable lithium battery, a micro USB charging port, and medical-grade adhesive electro gel pads. Whether you're dealing with excess weight or strained muscles, this is the solution you've been looking for. ElectroFit is a great device for athletes, helping to build up maximum strength and increase power. In fact, ElectroFit may double the effectiveness of a gym workout. Now you can warm up like a pro, train like a pro, recover like a pro, and be a pro. With over 12 years of manufacturing FDA-approved EMS and TENS devices, our team is fully equipped to take ElectroFit from vision to reality. And by backing us on Indiegogo, you'll become an important part of our founding family. We have the team, the product, the vision, and the talent to execute this project. And all we need is your support. No more excuses. Now is the time to achieve your health and fitness goals with ElectroFit.